Yo, what's happening, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Well, I decided to fix something while I already have the engine sorta in there and the wire harness pretty much out all the way to the side. I'm pretty much gonna rewrap the wire harness. The car is pretty old. It's an '07. The wire loom, it's so brittle and broken. Yeah, man, might as well do it now while it's out and easy to do. So let me show you guys what I ended up getting from Amazon. I got this Oi Viney electrical wire harness tape. I got this Alex Tech split sleeving. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. This was like, I think like $8. And this was like, I forgot how much it was, but total was like $17 or $18 for both of these. So I'll put the link in the description box. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna undo all this stuff right here and get rid of it. How brittle it is, and everything just look ugly. This is what's gonna look like. It's pretty wide, so I think it's gonna look much better than this. I'm just gonna focus on the wire harness on top of the engine, which you can see, like the coil packs and the stuff all around here. And put y'all on a time lapse, man. That way you guys get an idea of what's gonna be like. So here we go. Tape this electrical wire harness tape 3/4 inch wide, and you get 50 feet of it. That's a lot. And it's abrasion resistant, temperature resistant, and strong adhesion. All that is true, man. This tape is awesome. Look at this cover. It's like ashy and old, man. It's gotta go. So this is what it looks like afterwards. Looks really good. This is gonna be the front. This is where the coil packs will be. This wire loom right here, I don't have enough of it, so I'm just gonna put it on the really thick cable. And any small wire harnesses like these, I'm just gonna put tape over it. This tape is actually pretty hard to cut, and I'm using this super sharp razor, and I gotta really cut it really hard. Look at this, guys. Yeah, man, it's just falling apart. The wire loom is just so brittle. Look at that, it's just, oh man, look at that, it's gone. These cars are getting old, so probably won't replace stuff right here, because this is where the injector wire harness, I probably won't even tape them, because you're not even going to see them. I don't know, we'll see. I'm definitely replacing these. I might get rid of this right here. So if I can just clean this part right here, that would be great. Undo these covers. I'm using a flathead screwdriver, and I'm just going to stick it in, turn it, and then comes loose right away. Stick it in there flat, turn it, and it comes loose. Just like that. Of how to, it's basically like, it's like changing clothes, man. That's what I think. Just like that, it's out. So brittle. You know what? I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of this cover completely and just wire loom it. I'm going to put you guys in another time lapse. I'd rather have this off and just, you know, wire loom it, because if I keep this on, I don't think this is going to fit on the new valve cover, because the valve cover for the J37A is different. So I'm going to get rid of that one. This is going to just scratch up the valve cover, actually take off the glue, so we don't want that. All right, y'all, before I go any further, I want to show you guys a little trick here. So before you put your harness on, so this harness, I'm not really going to put it all the way inside the plastic housing. So what I'm going to do is I wrap the tape around it, and I have it hanging at the bottom here. So then I'm going to slide the loom all the way as close as I possibly can. that. And since it's at the bottom, because the bottom, that's where the harness is open at, or the loom is open. So what I'm gonna do is, and I'm gonna tape it. So it's like seamless. Then cut it. That's it. That way you can't tell where it starts at. And just keep going down. The skinnier wires, like, man, there's just, these things are just comes apart. Skinnier wires, I'm just gonna tape over them. I'm gonna tape, this is basically where the rear coal packs go. Cleaning all this up. Get this out of the way, I don't have to worry about it later. Yep, just keep tucking it in. It's pretty simple, man. Pretty simple. I've never done this on the TL before, so I'm just improvising, guys. You guys won't regret this, man. Ooh. It's like 12 in the morning, by the way. That's why I want to finish this up right now. So I'll keep going. And I think I'm gonna stop right here and tape the rest. So cut this out right here. Come on, snap on. Swear. So like I said, guys, to make it seamless, what you want to do is, so tape. I want it to look clean. And I'm gonna tape all the individual ones. Let me give you an idea of what it normally looks like. Normally you'll have that plastic piece down there and it's bolted down, and then you'll have this plastic piece here. It's just literally rubbing on the paint, literally getting rid of all that. I'm just gonna have this just sitting like that. Oh, I mean, come on, that looks much cleaner. Look at that, that looks way better, way clean. I like it. Although I should have kept going with this part here. But oh well. This probably took me probably an hour or less. Because, well, I have mine already out. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the comments. You guys, if you have any questions, let me know. And see you guys soon, man. Y'all take care.